Welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. If you're looking for AI tools that can help you save hours and even generate income while you sleep, then hit the subscribe button right now. After subscribing, click the link in the description, fill out the short form, and I will send you a private list of 800 top AI applications so you can automate your work or start an affiliate marketing business today. Think about how many hours you usually spend editing videos. With Pictory, you just paste the text content and the AI will handle everything. No steep learning curve and no expensive software needed. Right now, Pictory is offering a 14-day free trial with all paid features unlocked. You can try it out immediately without spending a dime. Check the link below to grab that offer. And be sure to watch until the end because I'll reveal one key factor to help you monetize on YouTube sustainably. Now, join me on the screen to see each step. On the dashboard, you'll see 4 main options. Script to video, blog to video, edit videos with AI, visuals to video. They all follow the same simple process. In this demo, I'll choose script to video. First, give your project a name. I'll type Lucas Demo if you don't have a script yet. Open ChatGPT and enter the prompt top 5 animals that are easiest to keep as pets. Once you have the script, copy it, then paste the script into Pictory and click Proceed. In less than a minute, Pictory will automatically create scenes and produce a complete video for you. The exciting part is that you can keep editing, change the text, swap the background, add your own voiceover, or choose music from thousands of royalty-free tracks in the library.
When it comes to pets, some animals are easier to care for than others. If you're looking for low-maintenance, easy-to-care-for animals, here are the top 5.1. Fish, betta fish or goldfish. Why they're easy. Fish are relatively low maintenance, especially species like betta fish or goldfish.
If you want a professional voiceover, simply select a high-quality AI voice, and Pictory will automatically sync it with the subtitles, no extra steps required. You can also export videos in multiple formats for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, always in sharp HD quality. This is extremely useful if you want to grow across multiple platforms at the same time. YouTube tip short vertical videos are going to be huge in 2025. Use Pictory to turn one script into both a 60-second short and a 10-minute tutorial video. Double the reach, double the watch time. We will create a series of videos and schedule regular uploads, for example, 2 short videos every day, and soon YouTube will start recommending them. Even if you've never touched a video editing program, Pictory is still very easy to use. Everything is drag and drop with a clear layout. Here's a project I completed in just 5 minutes smooth, right? Previously, you could use Pictory's free version, but it added a watermark. And now the 14-day free trial is the best way to fully experience it. After that, you just choose the plan that fits your needs. Here's a quick summary of Pictory's plans. Starter, ideal for beginners. You get standard multilingual AI voices and unlimited access to over 2 million Storyblocks videos. Professional, $39 per month. Includes everything in Starter plus 120 minutes of ultra-realistic voices from 11 labs and access to over 10 million Getty Images videos. Teams, $90 per month for up to 5 members. 240 minutes of premium voices, plus collaboration tools and API access. Enterprise, custom pricing for large businesses, including training and dedicated support. In my opinion, the professional plan is the most reasonable choice. You'll get those ultra-realistic voices and a huge media library, perfect for anyone serious about automating a YouTube channel. Small motivation, Naval Ravikant once said, "Learn to make money while you sleep, or you will work until you die." Pictory is exactly the kind of tool that helps your content earn money 24/7. So, is Pictory worth using? Absolutely, covet. The interface is beginner-friendly, it saves an incredible amount of time, and the cost is very reasonable. Remember, the faster you publish, the sooner you'll reach the watch hours required to enable monetization on YouTube. You can easily produce a whole month of content in just one weekend. That's how I usually do it. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description, sign up for the 4ER 5-day free trial, and experience it yourself. After that, comment below to let me know what kind of videos you plan to create: Faceless Cash Cow channel, tutorial series, or daily shorts. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Lucas AI Academy, and share it with friends who want AI to handle the editing work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to fill out the form to receive the 800 AI applications gift after subscribing. See you in the next video.